Hello people, this is Prasad Jadhav and you're watching ProPress channel. Today we are going to learn how to set sketcher constraint assumption in Creo sketching environment. Now first we need to understand what is a sketcher constraint assumption. For that we'll go to sketch, we'll select plane, go for sketch. Now in this, if we go for draw one line, if we try to make it very straight, you cannot. So I'm just try to make it straight, but same time he's coming with the 3 dimension and plus he's coming with the 1 degree, okay, 90. So this is telling me this is a exactly vertical, but this is a add-on dimension. For that I need to change it to our constraint, geometrical constraint, which I am saying vertical. But this vertical is coming when I am giving this option to this line. Same way, this is line, this is coming with the angle and dimension. For that I have to say make it horizontal. Okay, so this additional constraint I have to give. My software, my Creo will not understand, or he cannot assume what I want to do. So for that, how to make it assumption a constraint. So this all constraint will taken care by our Creo, not by us. So our one step will be reduced. Now how to do that? Just go back, say Control D, make your plane on, go for File, go to Option, go to Sketcher, and if you find over here, there is an option which is stating Sketcher constraint assumption. In this, select vertical as of now and say OK. I'm saying no, you will say yes. For sketcher, we are selecting our top plane, going for sketching, making it exactly equal to screen, and now we are going for line. Now we have selected for a vertical one, and if you go here, you can find out a green V is coming. That is what your Creo is taking this assumption, that V, Creo is taking this assumption that you want to draw one vertical line. So he is coming with this V. You don't have to go and again give a constraint to your line. Now if I'm going for horizontal, see he is not taking horizontal one. For same, I'll go back to my sketcher, I'll say line up horizontal, I'm going for line. See, now that green H is coming, which is stating your Creo is assuming you want to draw a horizontal line. Same is applicable with the all other option like parallel, perpendicular, equal length, and all other remainings. Means if I just draw one constraint line over here, and if I want to make a symmetry line to it, I'll draw one line from here. See, he's taking V, he's taking H. See, it is selecting. The time I am reaching, he's taking equal length. The time I am reaching to exactly a same length from the center line to a opposite end, he is showing me a symmetric option. But same, if I remove this symmetric option from here, then what I have to do, I will start again same way. He will show me horizontal, he will show me a exact length, same again length, but he will not show me for a symmetry. So I will not, I cannot identify this when this will get symmetry. For that I have to again go back to a symmetry constraint. I have to select, select, and select. Now we will make it symmetry constraint. So for this assumption of all my points, I have to make it on, that all contains a horizontal, vertical, parallel, perpendicular, equal length, equal radius, collinear, symmetric, midpoint and tangent. These all points are helpful while we are sketching in Creo environment. So make sure to keep this on and to get a support from Creo to assuming all your sketching constraint. Thanks for watching Purpose channel.